Do you like your classroom? Yes, I like it very much. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Anya. When do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. What time do you eat breakfast? I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Do you play games? Yes, I play every evening. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. Do you read books? Yes, I read storybooks. Where do you study? I study in my room. What do you do after school? I do my homework and relax. Do you help your parents? Yes, I help them every day. What do you do on weekends? I visit my friends. Do you like learning English? Yes, because it is interesting. How do you go to school? I go by bus. Do you watch cartoons? Yes, I watch them sometimes. What do you want to become? I want to become a teacher.